Hi students, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to discuss cloud migration tools. There are so many tools available on the market that helps us to migrate all the services over the cloud. But in this video we will discuss only top 5 or only the best 5 tools available. So let's start with the first point, that is AWS migration services. We all know the name of AWS. It is Amazon Web Services. That means this tool is provided by Amazon company. This tool quickly and securely migrate database to AWS. It is very quick and very secure, and its main focus is to migrate the databases to AWS server, right? This tool is designed to minimize downtime. It minimizes downtime for applications that rely on the database. Remember just this point, that its main focus is on the database migration. So it has some features. Let's discuss. The first feature of AWS tool is it executes homogeneous and heterogeneous database migrations. Okay, so that means we can migrate same type of data and different type of data by using this particular tool. Second feature is it performs continuous data replication for multiple use cases. That means for the multiple data use cases we can use this type of migration service, and it can also migrate data into and out of the cloud for development reasons, and this is done only according to the user's requirement, right? So this is about AWS migration services. The second best cloud migration tool is Azure migration tools. Okay, it creates an Azure migration central hub. It creates an central hub so teams can start, execute and track their migration. With the help of this we can execute and we can track the complete migration process. The tool provides an extensible and flexible approach by using assessment and migration tools to streamline your migration process, right? That means we can easily track the process of the migration. So Azure migration tools utilizes end-to-end process. It utilizes end-to-end process tracking for your database and server migration. With the help of this tool we can only migrate the database, but with the help of this tool we can migrate any server and any size of database. It has some features. So the first feature of Azure migration tool is it is very extensible. It is extensible and flexible. Flexible means it is very easy to use. Anyone can use it according to their requirement. It is very flexible to streamline your migration, right? Second feature is it integrates tools for your workload. It integrates many tools for your workloads to help track and manage the migration. Third feature is it maintain compliances with your migration. It is used to maintain compliances with your migration. In Azure Migration Tool, just remember that point, that it is used to track the system, and we can migrate servers as well as database with the help of Azure Migration Tool. Third tool is Carbonite Migrate. Okay, it is another tool that helps team easily move between cloud and platforms. This tool understands that data migration can be risky. It always take care of risks, right? It can be risky and may result in downtime and data loss. So Carbonite Migrate decreases the risk of data migration. It decreases risk of data migration by establishing structured and repeatable process for data migrations, right? So teams can also innovate easily with the tools to ensure that their workloads are running on right platform or not. That means we can easily change the tools configuration according to the user's requirement. So there are some features. Let's discuss all the features of Carbonite Migrate. First feature is migrate workflows between physical, virtual or cloud-based environments. Second feature is exceptional technical and customer support. Is provided by this tool. The fourth tool we have is Current Surpass. PaaS stands for Platform as a Service. It helps team package applications that can then be delivered on software as a service to customers. It also works with software as a service system. The tool allows user to optimize their operations. With the help of this, we can optimize our operations by balancing workloads and leveraging business opportunities. Okay, so its features are, the first feature is it uses a few easy steps. It is very easy to use. It uses few easy steps to transform applications into software as a service application. Second feature is it manage each application environment, right? We have discussed this here, that it is used to manage each application's environment. And the last tool we have is Google Migration. This is provided by Google company, and it is also known as Velostrata. Okay, also known as Migrate for Compute Engine. It is a migration tool that dramatically improves cloud migration capabilities. It improves cloud migration capabilities. All these are improved according to the user's requirement. This tool is designed to improve migration agility and reduce risk. Also, it reduces risk related to data loss, right? And it has some features. The first feature is it is built-in testing for validation before migration, and real-time streaming for running workloads and migration. It holds real-time streaming of running workloads and migration. So all these are the top 5 migration tools used by cloud services So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.